Coach. Thanks for all that you do each and every day.
Thank you. We love you, man. By the way, I love your face.
I just wanted to say that I was in tears earlier. My count today was 82% up.
Yes.
And it's my best day ever.
Oh.
I've been here for literally 10 months.
Oh, that's
and
awesome.
I did feel like quitting, but I just kept plugging away and tuning in. And thanks for all those people that participate in asking questions, because I'm learning from those, and also from Mitch, Bruno, Lola, Don, everyone. I mean, I had literally get up, walk away, and go do some cleaning just to kind of get my nerves like settled. But I'm just so blessed, and I thank everyone.
We love you, man. You're here day in, day out, always helping. Thank you so much for what you do, man. Do not leave us. Don't you dare quit on me. You are an amazing, amazing person. Don't you ever walk away. We would be less of a community without you, for sure.
Thanks, Coach.
You're welcome. Hey,
Hey, Coach.
I don't like it here. Yes.
I now have funded the next 5 years of VIP memberships.
Bam.
Nice. What a great day.
Was that Ted?
Yep.
Nice job, Ted. That's a 5-figure day, my friend. That's that super math wizard Flint education just kicked in real fast. You hear that? That quick math?
That was the best day of my life. I mean,
is that your best trading day?
Oh yeah. I mean, how could it not be?
That's phenomenal, buddy.
I mean, 743%.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, it just went up again. So now I've got six years of VIP.
Nice job. What are you in right now? NVIDIA to the moon?
NVIDIA to the moon.
Oh my gosh, dude. What's your expiration Friday?
Tomorrow. Yeah.
Nice job. Nice job. Use your stops. Be very careful. Remember to scalp whenever you start to feel anxious.
Well, you remember I did the one-on-one with you, and I had a goal of just like a very modest goal, and this is like nothing I ever imagined. So
that's
appreciate
awesome.
all your guidance there. And you know, if anybody's on the fence about getting into the VIP membership, I have to say it will change your life. You'll become a lot more confident, and it takes time. It takes work on your part, but Coach is giving some great guidance here.
Confidence, that is the word, gives you amazing confidence.